there's a lot of things that 2020 taught us, or at least you should have learned. Right now, a lot of people are focused on like who the next president's gonna be. And I'm gonna be completely honest, like that does not matter at all.
It doesn't matter how you're doing.
Mad people are focused on like gonna win and like if Trump's gonna get the votes recounted, like who gives a It does not matter who the president is, okay? For the past 23 years of my life, the president has not made any difference in my life. Maybe I'm blind or I don't pay attention, but I think that people need to focus and vote on themselves. Like there's a lot of people who could be doing a lot better than focusing on the election, focusing on policies, and focusing on things that you can't control. You have no say in what they do. No say at all. The only thing you did do was vote. And now that the voting's over, there's nothing really you can do about it. You gotta start taking control of what you can control, because what they do now with our world and our policies is not up to you. Okay, so a couple things that you could be focusing on right now is what the are you gonna do in 2021? What are you going to do to make the best of next year? Because a lot of people are like, oh, I want 2020 to end. 2020 is not the problem. The problem is you, because you literally are focusing on the dumbest that has no correlation to where you want to go, where you want to take your family, what goals you have. The only thing that's relevant is maybe taxes, and that's the only thing that I've been concerned about. But you have to understand that like there's only so much that you can do, and it all comes down to like what do you really want for yourself? Like at the end of the day, you're voting for people who you've never met, never had a conversation with, never really had a down-to-earth relationship with. And you're trying to put them like on this pedestal of how they're gonna help you and like change your life and how this person's gonna do this, and this. And like, it just doesn't matter. You gotta vote for yourself. Like we gotta cut out all this and focus on what really matters, which is us. And at the end of the day, like you die alone, so you can decide to do something about it, or you can decide to put it in someone else's control. And that's my message for you. Peace out.